Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been over a week that I haven't uploaded, but here I am again, and I'm using this baby right here. It is the Morphe Plus Jaclyn Hill palette, and let me tell you guys, this palette is absolutely beautiful. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and just to let you guys know right now, I'm just gonna be doing my eyeshadow on camera, and my other makeup is going to be off camera. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and give it a thumbs up if you guys did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I know you want to. Come on. Okay, that was kind of weird. Anyways, you guys, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to be priming my lids, and I'm using my concealer. This is a Tarte Shape Concealer in Light Sand. And I'm just going to use my sponge right here. And I'm going to be using my, just put this down. I'm going to be using my Morphe Plus Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Brush. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush. And I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. And now the shade that I'm going to be using is Mugshot right here. And I'm going to be applying that on the rest of my lid. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush. This is the domed shadow brush. And I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. And now I'm going to be adding a darker shade on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to be applying this shade right here. It's called Secret. And I'm going to use this brush right here. Sorry if you hear noises, my son's in here. So I'm so sorry. And now I'm just going to be blending all my shadow together, the one that I put on my crease. So I'm going to be using the same shade that I used. It's called Rush. Okay, so this is pretty much the eye look. Now I'm just going to be adding some glitter. I'm adding the Stila glitter, and this is Smoky Storm. And I'm just going to be applying that on the inner corner of my eye. Just applying a little bit. And then with this brush right here, I'm going to be blending it in. Just like spreading it out. And now I'm gonna be doing my foundation and concealer and all my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have all my makeup done, and I also went ahead and applied the lashes. These are from Tarte. They're the Goddess, and I actually really like them. I think I'm gonna be buying the new ones, so I do recommend these. They're really pretty. And now I'm gonna be moving on to my lower lash line. I'm gonna be doing this shade right here. It's called Framed. And now I'm just gonna be grabbing my mascara. This is from Benefit, and I'm gonna be applying it on my I'm just gonna be applying a little bit. Okay, just like that. This is also the first time I try this, and it's really good. And now for my lips, I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's by Anastasia, and it's called Stripped. I think I'm gonna have to add another color, because I think it's a little too light for this look. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding another color to my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is actually the final look. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I gotta say that I do really like this palette. It is really, really beautiful, and all the shades blend out very nice. It is definitely worth the money. So if you guys get a chance to pick it up, you guys should definitely try it out. And yeah, we're pretty much done. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh wait, let me bring it up close to you guys. So pretty. Anyways, now I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.